Hello, this is Mr. Pyle, and I'm going to give you a brief summary of the music program here at Parsons. Hold on a minute while I set this up. We have a 6-year music program at Parsons, beginning with the important developmental stage in kindergarten and first grade, and graduating to more complicated study in preparation for work in middle and high school. I am the vocal and general music teacher. If you have questions or comments, feel free to contact me by email. During this pandemic year, we are taking recommended precautions to keep your children safe, which means masks and social distancing in class. Singing and playing instruments is too risky to do in groups, but it can be done at home, and we will prepare and teach these activities. We begin in kindergarten and first grade with listening, singing, and dancing, opening up children's minds to the beauty and power of music. In second grade, children are introduced to musical notation, notes and symbols written on a 5-line staff. By this stage, students have had experience with simple instruments, but in third grade, they begin much more intense work, learning how to play the recorder, a small woodwind instrument. In fourth grade, students continue vocal music with me, but instrumental music is continued with different teachers, Mr. Ennis and Dr. Tanaka Suwan, specialists in band and string orchestra. Harrison has an unrivaled vocal and music program, and it starts here in elementary school. Bye.